The Tesla Cybertruck finally released, we can finally stop with the on-paper comparisons and see how this thing performs in the real world. We've already seen the ultra-angular utilitarian vehicle win a drag race against a Porsche 911 while the truck was towing another 911. Now it's time for a more conventional duel against a direct rival, the GMC Hummer EV. The battle took place in Austin, Texas at Tesla's Gigafactory. Carwo's Matt Watson was one of the few journalists invited by Tesla to sample the long-awaited pickup, and he also brought along the Hummer for a bit of an acceleration contest. Both were the top-spec versions with 3 electric motors. These are 2 of the heaviest vehicles money can buy, considering the former weighs 6,843 pounds while the latter tips the scales at a ridiculous 9,061 loaves. The Cybertruck Cyberbeast trim has a mighty 686 pound-feet, whereas the Hummer has a colossal 1,095 pound-feet. The Tesla is also down on horsepower, 845 HP vs 1,014 HP. But it makes up for the difference with a far lower curb weight. The Hummer didn't stand a chance in any of the drag races and also lost in the subsequent rolling races. Even with 5 people inside the Cyberbeast to make it heavier, the GMC wasn't able to keep up. It's worth noting the Tesla initially had the firmware for the dual-motor variant that limited top speed to 112 miles per hour, but an update unlocked the full 130 miles per hour of the tri-motor model. The Cybertruck featured here is technically a pre-production prototype, but Tesla promises customer cars will match this mind-boggling performance. The GMC did manage to win one duel in the end. Despite being significantly heavier, it triumphed in the brake test from 70 miles per hour to a full stop. That's a big surprise considering the weight of a Mazda MX-5 Miata separates these two. With this being a prototype, perhaps the Cyberbeast brakes were not in tip-top shape, which would explain the unexpected outcome.